Are you looking for the best cheap and budget printers? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap and budget printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFCJ1205W/MFCJ1215W printers. The best budget printer we've tested is the Brother MFCJ1205W, also sold as the Brother MFCJ1215W at Walmart. This color all-in-one inkjet model produces sharp documents and detailed photos, and it doesn't cost much to own, as it uses inexpensive ink cartridges with a high page yield. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB, and thanks to its Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service support, you can easily print from your smartphone or tablet without needing a third-party app. The scanner's lid hinges extend slightly to accommodate thicker items like textbooks. However, the lack of an automatic feeder means you'll have to scan each page manually, which can be time-consuming. Another trade-off for its budget-friendly price is its slow printing of 9 black or 6 color pages per minute. If you have a larger print load and can afford to spend a little more upfront, the Epson EcoTank ET2400 is a good choice, too. It's very similar to the Brother in features. However, it's a super tank model, meaning it has a refillable ink tank instead of cartridges. A full tank gets you thousands of prints, so you don't have to worry about high running costs. Compared to the Brother, it produces more vibrant photos and scans, but its document printing quality isn't as good. Other minor drawbacks include the lack of extendable scanner lid hinges and support for Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service. Number 2. Canon PIXMA MG3620 printers. If you want to spend as little as possible, check out the Canon PIXMA MG3620, the best cheap printer we've tested. It's a simple all-in-one inkjet printer designed for people who only print occasionally. We say occasionally because this model has a black and tricolor cartridge, which run out of ink quickly, so you'll have to replace them often. Also, you'll have to replace the tricolor cartridge even if only a single color runs out, wasting ink. Cost isn't the problem because the cartridges are fairly cheap, it's just a lot of maintenance, and you might end up with many faded or incomplete prints. On the upside, it still produces high-quality black and color prints. The scanner produces detailed scans, but don't expect features like an automatic feeder or duplex scanning, as it's a cheap model. You get Wi-Fi, USB connectivity, and Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service support. Overall, if you only print once in a blue moon for those one-off projects, this model can get it done. However, if you print more than that, you'll be better off with a printer with a higher page yield, like the Brother MFCJ1205W. Number 3. Brother HLL2350DW printers. For people who only need to print black and white documents, we recommend the Brother HLL2350DW, a variant of the Brother HLL2325DW and one of the best budget printers we've tested. There's nothing wrong with the HLL2325DW, it's just harder to find in stock. So the HLL2350DW is your best bet since it performs almost identically. This laser printer has the usual Wi-Fi and USB connectivity and is compatible with Brother's mobile companion app, which you can use to print or perform maintenance tasks from your smartphone. The Brother produces sharp-looking documents and prints quickly at up to 32 pages per minute. A full toner cartridge yields about 1,200 prints, and replacements are cheap. Plus, since it's a monochrome model, you only ever need to replace a single cartridge. You have to spend extra to replace the drum as it's a separate unit, but the drum usually lasts about 12,000 prints, so you won't have to do it all that often. The biggest downside is its lack of a scanner, so you must be sure you won't need to scan anything. Number 4. Phantom P2502W printers. If you want something more affordable than the Brother HLL 2350DW, get the Phantom P2502W, one of the best cheap printers we've tested. Like the Brother, this is a laser print only unit with no scanner. It produces high quality documents and has a very high page yield of a little over 2000 pages. The drum is built into the toner cartridge, so you don't need to replace it separately, making maintenance easier. It prints quickly at 23 pages per minute, however, it takes a while to warm up and doesn't support automatic double-sided printing. Unfortunately, this printer tends to push printed sheets off the output tray, which can be inconvenient as you'll have to rearrange your prints into the right order. This issue can also cause misaligned prints, wasting more time, toner, and paper. It doesn't always happen, but it's an inconvenience nonetheless. It's still a great option for the price. Just be aware that you might occasionally encounter problems.